Hello friends, my name is Alok Mogwana. Today I would like to talk about the farmer. India is an agriculture country. The farmer is a backbone of our country. He is a get up early in the morning. He work hard whole the day. He lives in the village. He goes to a fields with a Paul and Blux or a tractor. He work very hard in the whole day. He do in the summer Paula fields, and in a then was in a monsoon he sow a seeds. Then was a winter reaps a crops. Then was he sell in crops in the market. Crops in the market. Sometimes there is a female, but the farmer is suffer big loss, but is not distressed. The farmer is in its important member of our society. Thank you so much.